Good day to all. Myself, Prabdeep Singh, Assistant Professor of School of Computer Applications from Babu Banasi Das University, Lucknow. Subject is e-governance. We are taking a case study. Two case study we are going to take. First is your E SUVIDHA, and second case study will be the Bhulek. So, the first case study in this video we are going to take about E SUVIDHA. The vision of E SUVIDHA is to eventually bring all the G2C, G2B, and B2C services within the preview of E SUVIDHA project so as to obviate the need for citizens and business people to visit the government offices except for specialized and complex services. Currently, 60 e-Suvidha centers are operational in Lucknow city and delivering around 76 G2C and B2C services. It is proposed to increase the number of e-Suvidha centers such as e-Suvidha Lucknow would eventually have its presence in each ward of Lucknow. The services offered by the e-Suvidha are electric bill, house tax, water or sewer tax, BSNL basic phone bills, BSNL WLL phone bill, BSNL PCO phone bill, BSNL cell phone mobile bill, LDA EMI, railway ticket reservations, railway Tatkal ticket reservations, and etc. So here is this is a website of Department of IT and Electronics, the government of Uttar Pradesh. In this, we see the getting all the services to the citizen by the government. Citizen can easily access this website and get their work done or their if any help uh, from the citizens, it is provided through this website, and it is a highly interactable website between government and the citizens. So, uh, after this, the mission of eSuvidha project is to be the one-stop shop for all C2G interactions. So after this, eSuvidha project has been enacted with the main aim of benefiting urban citizens at each district of the state and to offer various governmental services both at city as well as district level within the state. So while we discussing about its main objective, the main objective are as follow: to provide single window all utilities systems at all the counters of systematic and well integrated citizen service center e-Suvidha center installed at prime location within the state adjacent to public houses and workplaces that offers computerized information regarding various government departments, semi-government departments, institutional departments, authorized organizations, self-financing departments, integrated information related to selected corporation and bodies, allow settlement of bills, government payments G2C, and professional services of private entities, that is B2C, through the use of information technology. So to benefit the urban citizens with the above stated services in all the districts of the state and to offer various governmental services both at city and district level. So this project has been established as the subordinate official society of IT and Electronic Department, Government of Uttar Pradesh under Societies Registration Act 1860 and is popularly known as E SUVIDHA. Its renewed registration certificate number 4661 2014-2015, which is from 14 January 2015 to next 5 year, that is 14 January 2020. Under E SUVIDHA project, citizens are offered various bill payment services of different departments all at one place, that is at E SUVIDHA Center, where single window all utilities system is followed, whereby citizens don't have to visit different departments for submitting the bills. Presently, this facility is operated through setting up of intranet, but in near future it has been proposed that all the services would be made available to the citizens on their residences only via internet. Presently, 72 operating centers, 141 counters in Lucknow offer the facility of submitting Lisa electricity bill of Madhyanchal Discom, house tax of Nagar Nigam, and telephone and mobile bills of BSNL consumers. Now the next point, beside Lucknow, total 97 E SUVIDHA centers, 117 counters has been set up in 18 different districts of the state, namely Hardoi, Barabanki, Lakhimpur, Sitapur, Shahjahanpur, Pilibhit, Raebareli, Unnao, Sultanpur, Faizabad, Bareilly, Balrampur, Gonda, Saraswati, Amethi, Ambedkar Nagar, Badaun, and Bahraich. In these centers, at initial phase, only electricity bill of Madhyanchal Discom are submitted, including Lucknow and other districts. Total 169 E SUVIDHA centers, 258 counters are present in the state, which offer facility to around 6.5 to 7 lakh consumers every month, generating revenue of rupees 252 to 300 crore every month. Now, with the inauguration by Honorable Chief Minister on 29 November 2013 under e-governance plan of the state, 26 government services of G2C of 8 departments and 44 professional services of CSC SPV organization were started in their initial phase at 6 E SUVIDHA centers in Lucknow through pilot program. Along with this, a new E SUVIDHA center has been inaugurated that is situated at Women Power Line Choraha near Lohia Path. So the vision of the E-Suvidha project is to provide to the citizen of Uttar Pradesh all G2C and G2P one-stop services and information of departments and agencies of central. So with this, when we are talking about the e-Suvidha technology, the technology which we are using to enhance the e-Suvidha is the provision of integrated services are being achieved through the use of three-tier technology. The application server act as a bridge between the database of the selected department located in different part of the city and the common citizens at the counter at strategic locations of ICSC. So going forward, we come to the type of services to be delivered from the e-Suvidha project, Lucknow and other districts. The departmental services that will be delivered through the e-Suvidha centers in Lucknow and in 33 more districts. Total of initially we have 34 districts of Uttar Pradesh will be mainly of the following types. Number one, database query, retrieval and print using the backend database of utilities for bill payment, tax payment services, bus ticket service, etc. So first is your database query. Now the second is the workflow related services like receiving application for getting domicile, caste, income, death, birth certificates, employment, registration, renewal, ration card, Aadhaar card, etc. Next is the database query retrieval and print using the backend database of mobile top-up, recharge, data card recharge, D2H recharge, NIELIT services, etc. Now the e-Suvidha technology, which I have told you previously, that the e-Suvidha technology, the provision of integrated services are being achieved through the use of three-tier technology, which I have already discussed with you. The application server acts as a bridge between the database of a selected department located in different part of the city and common citizen at the counter at the strategic locations of the ICSC. So the e-Suvidha technology I have already discussed. I have told once again to you in order to get more emphasis on this and this is very important to know the technologies of the e-Suvidha is. So coming to the next, we will going to discuss the economic viability of e-Suvidha project. The economic viability of the project is based on three distinct streams of revenue, that is a transaction-based service charge on the government citizen transaction, that is G2C, as fixed through this bid, a transaction-based service charge on the citizen business B2C transactions of to be fixed through mutually acceptable norms and revenue through advertising. Now, come to the objective of E SUVIDHA project. The following is the set of broad objectives proposed for E SUVIDHA project. Number one objective is the vision of E SUVIDHA is to eventually bring all the G2C, G2B, and B2C services within its ambit so as to obviate the need for citizens and business people to visit the government offices except for specialized and complex services. Second objective is to provide G2C, B2C service in a convenient and efficient manner through all existing e-Suvidha center in existing 17 districts and new centers added from time to time in respect and in further presently 17 more districts, total of presently 34 districts of the Uttar Pradesh. Next objective is to scale up to scale up the operations to cover majority of G2C, B2C services throughout the existing 17 districts and in further presently 17 more districts, total of presently 34 districts of Uttar Pradesh. Next objective is to enhance the accountability, transparency, and responsiveness to citizens' needs. After the objective, the next is the expected outcome of the E SUVIDHA project. So there will be a question arise among most of the citizens. In fact, we say to the all citizens is that what are the outcomes by the E SUVIDHA projects are. So, given that considerable public and private resources will go into the establishment of E SUVIDHA project, it is essential to lay down a set of expected outcomes that would be witnessed and experienced after the launch of the projects. These outcomes in broad terms are: number one, so the first outcome we are going to discuss is the citizen should get all services available electronically at E SUVIDHA initially from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on regular days and from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. on last 4 days of a month on two-shift basis on all days including Sundays and holidays, 7 days in a week except national holidays, but without any relation to the jurisdiction of a particular office of a particular department or agency. So after the first outcome, let's discuss the second outcome. The second outcome is the citizen should get jurisdiction free boycott of services of government and private sector under a single roof. Next outcome, the citizen should be able to see the citizen should be able to see the government as a single service provider through one-stop facilities. So, after the outcome, what are the requirements of the solution? So, E SUVIDHA project requires components such as civil architecture, hardware supply, maintenance, software development, system integration, networking, establishing the communication backbone, and user-friendly application software development skill, and the ability to seamlessly integrate open standard technologies for providing a reliable interface to various government departments. So with this, we are end with this case study. The next case study we are going to take is Bhule. From the subject e-governance, we are going to take a case study of Bhule. Now, Bhulek UP is a digital portal for land records launched by the Revenue Council of Government of Uttar Pradesh. Before the introduction of Bhulek UP, all the tasks related to the record of land, such as the Khatoni system, Jamabandi, etc., were done recording manually on papers, but now the UP government has computerized all the land record activities in the state. So, Bhulekh UP is an online portal that maintains the whole life of UP, Khatoni, and other land information. This computerized system is much organized and transparent than the previous system. Every citizen can easily check information about their land record from their homes. They no longer have to head toward the revenue office, UP, Patwari, or any other concerned office for knowing a small piece of information. So, this is the website of Rajasva Parishad Uttar Pradesh Pune Khatoni. In this, you can access each and every information that is related to the land records. So, this is in in which manner you can find out your information about the land is shown here with the information given by the citizen. So with this, we conclude that the Bhulek UP is an online portal of a UP Revenue Board that has solved the problem of manual land records in the state. Uttar Pradesh Bhulek is made up of two Hindi words, that is Bhu plus lake, where Bhu means land and lake means detail or account. UP Bhulek means keeping the account record of land. It includes all the description of a land, its owner, and other information in details. It has been implemented in all the districts of the state. So, the Uttar Pradesh government's Dhule project, also known as Digital Land, has won gold in the National E-Governance Award for 2018 to 2019. The award was given away by Union Minister Jitendra Singh to senior government official from the UP Revenue Department, Board of Revenue and National Informatics Center, Lucknow. The project was launched by the Uttar Pradesh Revenue Board with the help of state NIC to digitalize the land records and offer them via web portal to the public so that they can check land ownership related information such as Khatani or RORS records of right online. So Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state with population of more than 21 crore. The state has 18 divisions, 75 districts, and 350 tehsils. All of them are spread across 2.35 crore hectare land area, divided into 1,08,848 revenue villages with 7.65 crore plots. So far, the dispute among these plot owners and their records were being maintained manually. This gave rise to manipulations, corruption, and land scams as a large number of cases of data manipulation at the level of junior tehsildar were being reported. Currently, about over 8 lakh revenue court cases are filed across 2,486 revenue court in the state. To address this challenge, the state government has relied on technology and have created an integrated platform called Bhulek, a kind of digital land. Under this project, land records have been digitalized and a web portal has been created where all the land ownership related information such as Kotani or RORS records of rights are being provided online. So, a cloud-based integrated Bhulek model transforming revenue administrations and digitally empowering society. Government has rolled out various governance initiatives like Bhulek version 1.0, e-district, Common Service Center, CSC, to give trust to change the style of the citizen-centric services delivery life cycle in effective and efficient way to digitally empower the society and to create knowledge hub. Now, Lake version 2.0 envisages CSC for the generation and distribution of the Khatani services to the citizens at their doorsteps. Under e-district project, CSC are the government-powered outlets which ensure the delivery of citizen services like Khatani, caste, income, domicile, death and birth certificates, UIDAI, PAN, NDLM, Jan Dhan services, etc. So, pre-implementation preparation at pre-implementation level, the project main challenge was to curb the negative approach toward a new idea and another challenge was to stop the monopoly of new stakeholders who were not interested in losing their destructive power in process life cycle of conversion and integration. Mapping of all the revenue village code with census code 2011 for uniformity of codes uh, for all 1,09,957 Khatani villages, verification of mapped villages for all 345 tehsils of UP, corrections of tehsils, village name, etc. Flagging of Chakbandi survey revenue villages, merging of parts of revenue village into a single revenue village. So, Digital India Land Record Modernization Program is aimed to transform the land record system throughout the country. To achieve this, cloud-based integrated Bulek system of Uttar Pradesh is innovative model of cloud technology with process engineered model of land records to disseminate and consolidate the relevant information regarding land, the biggest cause of dispute resulting court cases. The Bulek system integration with the CSC also ensures the low-level service delivery with transparency and integration with the registry department, bank, Bhu Naksha, and UIDAI digitally empower the society. Availability of ROR on mobile is another evolution in Khatani system in the form of M-governance. So here we end with this case study. Thank you.